It's Jessica from Clyde's Corner, and I make a guinea pig channel for my guinea pig named Clyde. And today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your guinea pig's cage. Alright, let's get on with the video. Okay, so first you're going to need to take your guinea pig out. Then you're going to want to take everything out of the cage. Well, take the top off first.
There's a few things on there that you need to take off.
And just set it on the ground where it will make a mess. Alright, now my assistant, well, she's my mom, she's going to come in and help us clean the cage. So what you're going to need here is 2 gloves and 1 garbage bag. And what you're going to do is roll up the newspaper under your guinea pig's bedding, and you're going to roll it up and then pour it into the garbage bag. And I do something cute. Clyde, do something. Alright, well, Clyde's a little shy. He's never been on the camera. Boop-a-doop-boop-bum-bum-bum-bum. Clyde! Up close with Clyde. Alright. Alright. So, if you don't like doing dirty work like me, get a friend or your mom or your parents. Or someone around the house who knows how to do this. Alright, what you want to do is open the garbage bag, of course. And you want to get your gloves, put them on. And wait for your partner to be ready.
What do you think, Clivers? What is that noise?
Me?
Is it even facing this?
So while we're waiting for her,
That's it.
how do you do that?
Turn it off.
Oh.
Never mind. Now I'm almost ready.
Alright, so what you want to do is roll up the newspaper, and once that's completed, hold the garbage bag by the cage so your partner can dump it in. And now if you have any leftover bedding in the cage, dump that out and do this. Then you tie it.
Tie it crisscross. Tie it again. Tie it again. try it again.
Alright, then what you're going to do is throw it in the garden.